Rise above average. Be exceptional, not ordinary. Average is the baseline. Excellence is the summit. Aim higher. Mediocrity is crowded. Rise above average and stand out in the extraordinary. Don't settle for average when you can soar into the realm of greatness. Average is the enemy of exceptional. Choose to rise. In a world of averages, dare to be the exception. Average is a plateau. Climb to the peak of your potential. Break free from the gravitational pull of mediocrity. Rise above average. Average is a comfort zone. Greatness lies just beyond its borders. Elevate your expectations. Rise above the sea of average. Average is the enemy of progress. Strive for excellence instead. Don't be content with fitting in. Rise above average and stand out. In the pursuit of success, settle for nothing less than rising above average. Average is a whisper. Greatness is a roar. Let your achievements echo. Choose greatness over mediocrity. Rise above average in all you do. Average is the status quo. Rise above to redefine what's possible. Average is a settling place. Ascend to the heights of your potential. Break the chains of average thinking. Rise to exceptional heights. Average is the path well traveled. Choose the extraordinary journey. Mediocrity is a shadow. Rise above average and let your brilliance shine. Average is the road most taken. Carve your path to greatness. Don't be content with the norm. Rise above average and reach for the stars. Average is the starting line. Greatness is the finish line. Keep running. Average is a comfort zone. Step out and soar into the extraordinary. In the orchestra of life, rise above the average notes and play a symphony of excellence. Average is a settling ground. Rise above to find your true potential. Refuse to be a statistic. Rise above average and become a success story. Average is a benchmark. Excellence is a legacy. Strive for the latter. Don't blend into the background of average. Stand out in the spotlight of excellence. Average is a cage. Break free and soar to unparalleled heights. Rise above average. Set your sights on the peaks of achievement. In the tapestry of life, weave a story that rises above the threads of average. Average is a stepping stone, not a destination. Keep climbing. Average is a choice. Choose greatness and rise above the ordinary. In the pursuit of dreams, settle for nothing less than rising above average. Average is a limitation. Rise above to unleash your boundless potential. Mediocrity is easy. Excellence requires effort. Choose the latter. Rise above average. Average is a comfort zone. Step outside and embrace the challenge of greatness. Don't be satisfied with the middle. Ascend to the summit and rise above average. Average is the road well trodden. Forge your own path to extraordinary success. In the canvas of life, paint strokes of brilliance that rise above the palette of average. Average is a settling place. Rise above to discover the heights of your capabilities. Don't be a passenger on the train of average. Be the conductor of your extraordinary journey. Average is a cage. Break free and let your spirit soar to new heights. Choose excellence over mediocrity. Rise above average and leave an indelible mark. Average is the enemy of ambition. Rise above to chase your dreams relentlessly. In the garden of life, don't settle for average blooms. Cultivate a garden of extraordinary blossoms. Average is a limitation. Rise above to unleash the boundless potential within you. Don't be confined by the boundaries of average. Break free and explore the realms of greatness. In a world filled with average aspiration, be the outlier who rises above and achieves the extraordinary.